Number 1. 1979 GMC 1500 Modified, $3,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1979 GMC 1500 from the iconic square body era has been extensively customized and shows fewer than 7,000 miles on its performance build. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 board .030 over, featuring a 4-bolt main block, steel crankshaft, aftermarket cylinder heads, roller rockers, and a polished 6Q aluminum oil pan. A Wind 144 supercharger, Edelbrock carburetor, upgraded ignition system, and dual Flowmaster exhaust deliver strong performance and an aggressive exhaust note. The automatic transmission has been rebuilt and fitted with a shift kit, paired with a 12-bolt rear axle running 3.73 gears for improved drivability. Additional upgrades include custom paint, Dakota digital instrumentation, leather 60/40 seats sourced from a later General Motors truck, a step-side bed conversion, and extensive chrome accents throughout. Priced at $3,000 in Henderson, Nevada, this truck offers substantial performance enhancements and attractive entry point for buyers seeking a distinctive square body street machine. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Stepside, $10,000, Sacramento, California. This 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It is described as rust-free, running well, and shows approximately 150,000 miles. The Cheyenne trim adds comfort and upgraded styling, while the step-side bed enhances collector appeal. At $10,000 in Sacramento, California, it is a solid classic driver with room for cosmetic refinement. Number 3. 1967 Chevrolet C20 Pickup, $10,000, Costa Mesa, California. The 1967 Chevrolet C20 represents the debut year of Chevrolet's Action Line body style, introducing a cleaner and more modern design compared to earlier generations. This 3/4-ton pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer is currently inoperative. However, the truck is reported to have 54,000 miles. Finished in gray and offered with a clean title in Costa Mesa, California. This C20 delivers classic late 1960s styling combined with heavy-duty capability. The 1967 model year is especially desirable among collectors due to its 1-year-only trim details and straightforward mechanical design. Priced at $10,000, it presents a solid opportunity to enter the classic Chevrolet truck market with a first-year Action Line example. Number 4. 1965 International D1300 Pickup, $8,300, Warren, Wisconsin. The 1965 International D1300 is equipped with a 304 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, showing 38,945 miles. It was stored indoors for more than 25 years and retains a near-mint interior. Recent brake and clutch service have been completed, leaving only minor finishing details. At $8,300 in Warren, Wisconsin, it stands as a rare and solid classic truck. Number 5. 1988 Dodge Dakota, $850, Claremont, Minnesota. This 1988 Dodge Dakota represents one of the early mid-size pickup trucks introduced by an American automaker. It is powered by a 4.9L V6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing approximately 170,000 miles, the truck runs and drives, though it currently has an idle issue. Recent improvements include a Holley carburetor, new windshield, brake work, and documented maintenance records covering roughly 100,000 miles. Priced at $850 in Claremont, Minnesota, this Dakota presents an affordable project or practical utility truck with documented service history and solid potential. Number 6. 1986 Toyota Pickup, $4,800, San Juan Capistrano, California. The 1986 Toyota Pickup is powered by a 2.4L 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. With 230,000 miles, it reportedly runs strong and passes emissions testing. Known for long-term durability, This San Juan Capistrano, California, example at $4,800 offers dependable classic utility. Number 7. 1984 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive, $2,000, Muckleo, Washington. This 1984 Ford F-150 is equipped with an inline six-cylinder engine and four-speed manual transmission featuring a low granny gear. Odometer rollover is noted. With good tires and a recent battery replacement, it is suitable for farm or project use. Priced at $2,000 in Muckleo, Washington, it is a budget-friendly classic work truck. Number 8. 1988 Dodge DW150 four-wheel drive, $8,800, Gresham, Oregon. The 1988 Dodge DW150 comes from the final era of Dodge's traditional square body styling before the 1990s redesign. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this four-wheel drive example shows 65,460 miles, with an odometer rollover noted. Recent mechanical improvements include updates to the cooling and charging systems, new gaskets and filters, refreshed interior trim, and preparation for snow traction tires. Although it carries a salvage title, the documented investment in parts reflects consistent upkeep. Priced at $8,800 in Gresham, Oregon, it offers an affordable entry into a classic four-wheel drive platform. Number 9. 1976 Ford F-100 XLT, $7,500, Santa Maria, California. This 1976 Ford F-100 XLT retains its original blue paint and is equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission. Recent service includes fuel system components, cooling system maintenance, new belts, and a replacement battery. Minor rust is visible around the windshield area. However, the body remains largely solid. As part of the 6th generation F-Series lineup, the XLT trim added comfort and upgraded interior details. At $7,500 in Santa Maria, California, this truck stands out as a practical vintage driver with authentic character. Number 10. 1958 GMC 3/4 ton pickup, $13,200, Douglas, Arizona. The 1958 GMC 100 has been carefully modified with 1974 Chevrolet Nova suspension, differential, and front clip components to enhance ride quality and handling. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbohydromatic 350 automatic transmission and features power steering and power brakes. The chassis has been shortened and fitted with a 1959 Chevrolet Apache front end, blending classic late 1950s styling with improved drivability. Offered at $13,200 in Douglas, Arizona, this Restomod delivers vintage appeal combined with more modern mechanical performance suited for regular road use.